to you. How's it going, guys? I hope you're having a good evening so far, or a good afternoon wherever you're watching from. It could be morning time either, wherever you're from. I'm just jumping on here for half an hour. A little quick little stream. That's a bit lot. I'm just trying something out here, but a couple of songs to get over the old the announcement of the 6 weeks of lockdown. We're the only country in Europe now to go back into a second lockdown, so it's annoying and depressing there, to say the least, but hopefully we'll get through it there. We know a lot of people around the world they're struggling as well with different things there as well, so let us know where you're watching from. We'll give you a shout out. The eyes are bad here, so I'm just going to see who was if I can actually get into this. Okay, Jack Whitefoot, how are you, Jack? How are you, pal? Terry, how are you, Terry? Catherine Bryant, how are you getting on? I'm on YouTube and I'm on Twitch just tonight. I'm not on Facebook. I don't like jumping onto Facebook there by myself. Only 6 weeks, Terry. It's crazy. So we don't know. We're just waiting for further instructions. It's 6 weeks of level 5 lockdown with some I don't know. They're gonna change it around, change a few bits around, and I don't know what they're doing. I don't know what the fuck they're doing. Anyway, but sure, that's the way it is now for the moment. So I have a gin and tonic, and I have my guitar, and have my cables wrapped around my chair. As I said, I'm going to jump on here for half an hour for a bit of a stream, and hopefully it's working anyway. I just see it stopping and starting here on Twitch, and I don't know why. It could be just my iPad acting the ass. So, tuning in from Norfolk, England. Fair play to Ciaran. Right, so I don't know what I'm going to do, so if you do have any requests, I didn't really plan on going live today, so I didn't really have anything worked out. So if you have any requests, horse them in there to the old the chat thing. And if you're on Twitch, Maria, the Lord Grissom, how are you getting on? Looking good on your end. Fair play to you. I can always count on you there. I hope you're having a good evening so far. And we a little bird told us to give you an extra special shout out as well, Maria. There, so I hope you're doing okay. You're over in Sweden anyway, I presume, still at the moment. So hope you're doing okay over there. And we'll dedicate a song especially to you. As I said, a little bird told us to give you a special shout out. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll start off with a song that I normally start off my solo set with in the Merchant's Arch every Wednesday back in the day, and it was a song called The Ferryman. So you can let me know what the sound is like as well. It's a different setup than normally. Are gone from the breast of Anna Liffey. The ferryman lay stranded on the quay, and the Dublin docks are dying, and the way of life is gone. And Molly had it's all over, can't you see? Where the strawberry beds sweep down to the Liffey, kiss away the worries from my brow. I love you well today, and I love you more tomorrow. If you ever love me, Molly, love me now. 'Twas the only job I knew, 'twas hard but never lonely. The Liffey ferry made a man of me, and it's gone without a whisper and forgotten even now. And Molly, it was part of you and me. Where the strawberry beds sweep down to the Liffey, kiss away the worries from my brow. Well, I love you well today, and I love you more tomorrow. If you ever love me, Molly, love me now. Spend me days in talking, we'll hear them whisper Charlie's on the dole. And Molly, we're still living, and darling, we're still young, but that river never ruined my heart and soul. Where the strawberry beds sweep down to the Liffey, kiss away the worries from my brow. But I love you well today, and I love you more tomorrow. If you ever love me, Molly, where the strawberry beds sweep down to the Liffey, kiss away the worries from my brow. Well, I love you well today, and I love you more tomorrow. If you ever love me, Molly, love me now. Singing, if you ever love me, Molly, love me now. Thank you very much, the ferryman. Just grab my old drink over here. God. Nice one, the ferryman. So pop in the requests. As I said, I'm only on here for half an hour. If I know the song, I can do it for you. If I kind of know it, I kind of do it. And what does that key on? Takes me back to the arch. Sounding great. Glad to hear you're feeling better, Maria. And yeah. The arch is a distant memory now at this stage, and I miss it, I have to say. But I only have one working earbud. Terry, you might let me know if that's your earbuds or is it what's going on my end, and I'll keep going anyway. And we can find out. You can let me know. So let me see. I'll do sorry, someone texted me there about something. Let me see. Or keep the request. Send in a few requests there, and I'll do something for you. Maybe I'll do Lakes of Pontchartrain. I don't do that, but I'll do that for you, Maria, seeing as you asked. And we're dedicating this one to yourself. So the Lakes of Pontchartrain. Now, as I said, I don't normally do this one, and let me see, how can I get this up on this bad boy? So Lakes of Pontchartrain, yeah, it's a song wasn't written by Paul Brady, but he did an absolute class version of this. Let's see what the words. jeez, I thought I'd have the lyrics to that. Okay, hold on, give me 2 seconds there, Maria, and I'll find that for you. If you just joined in, you are very welcome to the stream here. I'm just on here, kind of an impromptu gig there again, little stream for half an hour or so. So slow. Right, here's some lyrics here. Of course, it's the one with 3 verses in it. Quad really is the one you want, isn't it? Let's try to have a look at that one and see. Okay, I'll bring this up as well so I can see it. I was playing the 7 bats. All right. Nice one. Okay. All right. Sorry about the lack of singing here. Let me see. Okay. Jesus, Dropkick Murphys. So I can do some sawdusters for you, Terry. And you're liking Tom Payne's Bones as well. Okay. Okay. Let's try this one here. Let me try. So this is for Maria, especially for Maria. Sword of Strum. On one bright March morning, I bid New Orleans adieu, and I took the road to Jacksontown, a fortune to renew. I cursed all foreign money, no credit could I gain, which filled my heart with a longing for the lakes of Pontchartrain. I stepped on board a railway car beneath the morning sun, and I rode the rails till evening, till I laid me down again. All strangers, no friend to me, till a dark girl towards me came, and I fell in love with a Creole girl on the lakes of Pontchartrain. I said, my pretty Creole girl, me money here's no good. If it weren't for the alligators, I'd sleep out in the wood. You're welcome here, kind stranger. Our house is very plain, but we never turn out a stranger at the lakes of Pontchartrain. She took me to her mommy's house, and she treated me right well, and the hair upon her shoulders, jet back ringlets fell, to try to paint her beauty would surely be in vain. So handsome was my Creole girl on the lakes of Pontchartrain. never be. For she had a lover and he was out at sea. She said that she would wait for him, and true she would remain till he returned for his Creole girl on the lakes of Pontchartrain. So fare thee well, my Creole girl, I'll never see you no more. But I'll never forget the kindness at the cottage by the shore, and at each social gathering a flowing glass I'll raise, and I'll drink to the health of my Creole girl on the lakes of Pontchartrain. And I'll drink to the health of my Creole girl on the lakes of Pontchartrain. The lakes of Pontchartrain, I don't normally do that one there, but that one was especially for Maria Soderstrom, all the way from Sweden. I just need to turn on something here. And so we had a request there for some Saw Doctors, and I'll do that one there for you. Just fix something here, something weird as well. Strange. Okay, nice one. So we request some Saw Doctors. We'll do that, some Saw Doctors. And nice one, okay. Yeah, this one's called N17. Sounds weird. Well, I didn't see much of a future when I left the Christian Brothers School, so I waved it goodbye with a wistful smile. I left the girls of tune, and sometimes when I'm reminiscing, I see the prefabs of my old friends, and I know that things that we changed are gone by the time that I get home again. And I wish I was on that M17, stone walls and the grass is green. I wish I was on that M17, stone walls and the grass is green, traveling with just my thoughts and dreams. Well, the old fella dropped me to Ciaran, took the last time I travelled that road, and as I turned left in Clear Galway, I could feel I had a lump in my throat. And I pictured the thousands of times that I travelled the well-worn track, and I know that things would be different if I ever decide to come back. And I wish I was on that M17, stone walls and the grass is green. I wish I was on that M17, stone walls and the grass is green, traveling with just my thoughts and dreams. tight, tumble on highways or filthy overcrowded trains. There's no one to talk to in transit, so I'll sit there and daydream in vain. And behind all these muddled up problems of living on a foreign soil, I can still see the twists and the turns in the road, from the square to the town and the tribes. And I wish I was on that N17, stone walls and the grass is green. I wish I was on that N17, stone walls and the grass is green. I wish I was on that N17, stone walls and the grass is green. I wish I was on that N17, stone walls and the grass is green. Traveling with just my thoughts and dreams. Some Sawdox is there for you, N17. Nice one there. My camera's going in out of focus. And there ain't shit I can do about it. Okay, if you're just tuning in there, how are you getting on? My name is Ciaran. If this is your first time tuning in, I'm just doing a bit of a stream tonight. We're going back into lockdown here from tomorrow for 6 weeks, so it's I'll do something on the harmonica. Great excuse to have another whiskey. Fair play to you. I'm on the old gin there tonight. The woman makes me pink gin. I think it's pink anyway. So that's the treat. That's the treat for today. What's your favourite song at the moment? Jeez, I can't sing my favourite song at the moment. But let me see if I can think of the 5 favourite songs that I'm trying at the moment. Two meters apart together. Oh, the figure spot on. Good, that's alright. Thank God they're spot on there. I'm using a different setup here. Okay, I'll do something on a harmonica. I'll do let me think about something here. Oh, you know what I'll do? I haven't done in ages. I might not be able to read it when I'm playing and play at the same time, but I'll try. Show you. Right, I'll do this one. This is a harmonica, and I haven't done it in ages, but it's a song called Rainy Night in Soho. It's a Pogue song, and I like this song, and it's been kind of on and off piss and rain for the last day or so. A bit of stormy weather over here, and like that. So actually, if I can see here. I've been loving you a long time. the years, down all the days, and I've cried for all your troubles, smiled at your funny little ways. We watched our friends grow up together, and we watched them as they fell. Some of them fell into heaven, and some of them fell into hell. I took shelter from a shower, and I stepped into your arms. On a rainy night in Soho, the wind was whistling all its charms, and I sang you all my sorrows, and you told me all your joys. Whatever happened to that old song, to all those little girls and boys? Sometimes I wake up in the morning, a ginger lady by my bed, covered in a cloak of silence. I hear you talking in my head. I'm not singing for the future, and I'm not dreaming of the past. I'm not talking of the first time. I never think about the last. Now the song is nearly over. We may never find out what it means. Still there's a light I hold before me. You're the measure of my dreams, the measure of my dreams. Thanks very much. That's a song they called Rainy Night in Soho, and I'll do some more for you on the harmonica shortly there as well. As I said, I only came on there for a few minutes here this evening, just to give a few people a shout out and see how they're getting on. We've been getting some rain too. Yeah, there's some kind of storm going on. Poor Cork City, they're getting an awful going over there. It's flooded down there at the moment in Cork City. We were used to live down in Cork, and the last time I remember it flooding. We were living together with my other brother, and it pissed rain for ages, and the city flooded, and the lads ran out. They were pissed, and I think they ran out in the rain and all around the city in their wellies, or I don't think they had wellies, and soaking. Stupid young lads back then, and now we're stupid old lads. So if you're just on Twitch, how are you getting on? And pop in on your requests there if you have any, for sure, and I'll do it for you. I'm just gonna check something here again. Where are we? Oh yeah, all right. Okay. Now, okay, any request? Do you do any Pearl Jam? Jesus, no, I don't, but I'd love that. I should put one of them on the Pearl Jam songs on my list. Easy even flow, is it? I don't do any Terry. I used to love Pearl Jam there, but I didn't play guitar when I used to listen to Pearl Jam. I could do the drumming for it there, but I can't do the guitar to it there. Well, let me see if I can. If there's any other song I can that I like doing. Not done in ages. I feel like doing a heap of slow ones. Learn Just Breathe. Okay, I'll check that one. Yeah, I do know it. Learn Just Breathe, right? And I can do. I'll do Gracefully. I'll do Gracefully after this one here. This is another slow one. I'll try and do this one and then do a fast one, and then I'll try and maybe finish off with Grace or something like that. This is a Bob Dylan song covered by the likes of Luca Bloom and Adele did a cover of this one as well. Blowing in your face, the whole world is on your case. I could offer you a warm embrace to make you feel my love. When the evening shadows and the stars appear, there's no one there to dry your tears. I could hold you for 1,000,000 years, make you feel my love. I know you haven't made your mind up yet, but I would never do you wrong. I've known from the moment that we've met, no doubt in my mind where you belong. I go hungry, I go black and blue, I go crawling down the avenue. No, there's nothing that I wouldn't do to make you feel my love. The storms are raging on a rolling sea, and on the highway of regret. The winds of change are blowing wild and free. You ain't seen nothing like me yet. I can make you happy, make your dreams come true. There's nothing that I wouldn't do. Go to the ends of the earth for you, to make you feel my love. The storms are raging on the rolling sea, and on the highway of regret. The winds of change are blowing wild and free. You ain't seen nothing like me yet. When the rain is blowing in your face, when the whole world is on your case, I would offer you a warm embrace, to make you feel my love, to make you feel my love. Thanks very much. That's a Bob Dylan song, and that was covered by Luca Bloom. Does a fantastic version, as does Adele. Nice one. Okay, so you couldn't have come at a better time. I don't have that, and we just lost it literally to tonight. Jesus. Tell you what, Maria, if I look up the words and they don't scare me away, I'll do a verse or two for you, okay? And then I'm going to go back on, and I'm going to do. I'll finish off with Grace then as well, because I'm on a little bit of a time schedule here tonight. But let me see if I can. What was that? I couldn't remember the time. Do I even know the chords? Do I? I even know the melody. Well, somebody could do. Not even. Okay, Jesus. No, flip. Jeez, I don't even know, Marie. I don't even know how it. I know. Is he gonna come on a better time? Couldn't come on a better time. That's the kind of only part I know, but I don't even know how to start it. Ah, shit. All right, but we'll try and have that for you. I'll try and have that for you for Saturday. We have a couple of we have a couple of gigs, extra gigs coming up as well. We are going to be on we're going to be doing Irish gigs page on Saturday, and we're going to be doing the Glasgow page on Tuesday, and then we're going to be doing the following Saturday we're going to do a Halloween special, a Halloween themed night as well. So we're going to be working hard to bring you nice Halloween entertainment for that night there as well. So I'll do another. I'll see if I can do a lively one here, and then I'll do Grace then after that as well, and let me see, what can I do that's nice and lively here. You know what, I haven't done it in a while. You might not like it, but I like it. And it's Greenland whale fisheries. Another program. Okay, I'm going to try this one here if you don't mind, and then I'll do Grace for you. Jesus. 1, 2, yeah. On March the 18th day, we hoisted our colours to the top of the mast, and for Greenland we set sail, brave boys, and for Greenland we set sail. Now the lookout on the cross tree stood with a spyglass in his hand. There's a whale, there's a whale, there's a whale, she cried, and she blows at every span, brave boys, and she blows at every span. Now the captain stood on the quarter deck, the ice was in his eye. Overhaul, overhaul, let your gale fishes fall, and you'll put the boats to sea, brave boys, and you'll put the boats to sea. Our harpoon struck and a fine blade out with a single flurry of his tail. He capsized our boat and we lost 5 men, and we did not catch that whale, brave boys, and we did not catch that whale. Now the losing of these 5 jolly men, it grieved the captain so, but the losing of that fine whale fish, now it grieved him 10 times more, brave boys. Now it grieved him 10 times more. Now Greenland is a barren land, a land that bears no green, where there's ice and the snow and a whale's fishy blow, and the daylight seldom seen, brave boys, and the daylight seldom seen. Now in 1848, on March the 17th day, well, we hoisted our colours to the top of the mast, and for Greenland we set sail, brave boys, and for Greenland we set sail. Thank you very much, Greenland whale fisheries. Okay, so guys, I have to leave you off of this one. I only jumped on here for about half an hour. I'm under a little bit of time constraints here tonight, but Team Night Thriller. Yeah, that'd be a great one to learn Thriller, but Jesus, I won't even know where to start. Terry, you'll be a good one for the bass for that. Who knows what, maybe we have time to learn a couple of Halloween songs for you. But anyway, this one, I'm going to do Grace here for you. And I might use a different guitar. Like, no, I won't. I'll just do this one. So guys, thanks very much. And I think, I'm using a different sound here tonight, so it's putting me off a little bit there. But thanks very much for tuning in. And you know, things are a bit shit at the moment there, but keep the chin up there, and a big shout out there to Maria there. A little birdie told us that you were looking for a shout out, or that would be nice to get a shout out. Not you were looking for one, nice to get a shout out. And we're glad you jumped on Twitch. We can always rely on you, Maria, anyway, for you to jump onto Twitch for something like this. Just 4 viewers on Twitch anyway. Trish and Maria, and who else is there? Oh, I have 2 more. Oh, Catherine as well. So you're helping out the Twitch, Catherine. Oh, you're on YouTube there as well. So guys, thanks very much. If you're on YouTube or on Twitch, thanks for jumping on here for the short stream there as well. If I can do more, I will. There, we're just we're trying to get the streaming album out as soon as we can, and we're trying to get as many songs onto it as well. So I've 30 streams to go through, and that's 30 by 2.5 hours per stream. So what's that? 90 hours of music to go through to find the right songs, the ones that we didn't fuck up. So here's Grace. And thanks very much, and I'll see you back here on Saturday, will we? as we gather in the chapel here in old Caminham Jail. I think about these past few weeks. Will they say we failed? From our school days we've been told that we must yearn for liberty. Yet all I want in this dark place is to have you here with me. Oh grace, just hold me in your arms and let this moment linger. You'll take me out at dawn, for I must die. With all my love I'll place this wedding ring upon your finger. There won't be time to share our love, for we must say goodbye. Now I know it's hard for you, my love, to ever understand the love I have for these brave men, my love for this dear land. But when Porrick called me to his side down in the GPO, I had to leave my own sick bed. To him I had to go. Oh grace, just hold me in your arms and let this moment linger. They'll take me out at dawn, for I must die. With all my love I'll place this wedding ring upon your finger. There won't be time to share our love, for we must say goodbye. Now as the dawn is breaking, my heart is breaking too. On this May morn as I walk out, my thoughts will be of you. And I'll write some words upon the wall so everyone will know I love so much that I can see his blood upon the stone. Oh grace, just hold me in your arms and let this moment linger. They'll take me out at dawn, for I must die. With all my love I'll place this wedding ring upon your finger. There won't be time to share our love, for we must say goodbye. Oh grace, just hold me in your arms and let this moment linger. They'll take me out at dawn, for I must die. With all my love I'll place this wedding ring upon your finger. There won't be time to share our love, for we must say goodbye. There won't be time to share our love, for we must say goodbye. Thanks very much, guys. That's it for me there for this little stream. As I said, hopefully once I get the old stream album up, I can jump on here again and do a few more of these impromptu gigs. And everyone have a good evening or a good morning or a good afternoon where you are. Keep the chins up wherever you are, and we'll get back to normality soon. And sure, we'll be having real life gigs. Hopefully, hopefully by this time next year. Holy Jesus. Anyway, and have a good one. Thanks for jumping on there as well, guys. And I'll see you back here on Saturday with Boo as well for our normal stream. So we have a Saturday and then Tuesday and then a Halloween stream on on the Saturday after, so we'll have the green screen out. We'll be messing around with that as well, and a few bats and stuff flying around and smoke machines and everything. So looking forward to that. Okay, have a good one.